Hello, my name is Julie, and I'm going to show you how to custom fit the CMCcare Thumb Brace to your patient's hand to stabilize the CMC joint, relieve pain, and still allow them full hand function.
The CMCcare is a lightweight brace made from a durable polyurethane material. It features a thin metal stay around the thenar eminence and the base of the first metacarpal. It allows you to shape the brace to your patient's hand in order to stabilize the CMC joint without limiting motion. To confirm the brace is the correct size for your patient, check to see if the thumb fills the brace well without it being too loose or too tight. You can adjust the length of the strap by opening the hook closure and pulling the strap to shorten it, an inch or more depending on the size of your patient's hand. Now, slide the brace on and close the strap. The closure tab should be centered on the back of the hand. Remove the brace to start shaping the metal stay. Contour the end of the stay to create a slight curve as the first adjustment. Put the brace back on, close the strap, and ask the wearer to pinch their index finger and thumb together to make an O. If the brace feels secure and comfortable, no further adjustments are required. If more support is needed to stabilize the thumb, with the thumb relaxed, grip and squeeze the stay to conform the brace around the thumb. Have the wearer do the O test again, and if the thumb is secure, you are almost done. A 3PP cozy liner is included with the CMCcare. Slip the cozy liner on with the 3PP logo on the dorsum of the thumb and slide the brace over the cozy liner. Adjust the liner to cushion the edges of the brace and close the strap. You have now successfully and comfortably completed fitting the CMCcare Thumb Brace. Congratulations! Included with the CMCcare is an extra strap, a closure tab, and a free 3PP cozy liner for long-lasting comfort.